All right, y'all. What's up, everybody? Going to do a little sneak peek of the Market Master Saas Pro home screen here. This is the software, all your marketing stuff right in one spot. Everything. You got your logo maker, hyper realistic AI images, motion maker, marketing proposals, AI image editor, domains, vault, smart websites, simple website, ultra fast funnels, magic hooks, hero images. I mean, from just everything you could possibly need, and more coming. Consistently going to be dripping new apps into the platform as time goes on, pretty consistently. It's pretty sweet. New project name. Uh, Test one. Here we go. Let's say I don't know what. Mm, um, Through town. See what it comes up with here. Thrashing tornado ripping through town. Got your options here. Remove background, download image to video, edit. This is what I like. You can go in and touch up anything, erase stuff, add stuff. It's pretty cool. Fine tune. A lot of the image AI creators out there don't let you do too much editing after the image is made. I just wanted to show you that. What else we got? Ultra fast funnels. Create funnel using AI. Business name. My marketing agency. You can either put a text, image, or a website URL for it to get its description from. Call to action, purchase, business logo, business contact email. Obviously, you put any of that stuff in. I'll just leave it like that for a minute. Go with this one. Take up to 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and then I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. Alrighty, and then here's the back office of the creator. Edit page. Pretty slick. The logo. It'll put your phone or email, all that stuff. Then you can go through and edit your boxes for whatever your services are, or any need, or whatever you want to, however you want to do it. So it's pretty powerful. Pretty powerful. Magic hooks. Business description. Let's say we're selling products, e-commerce. Product sale. Best shop premium quality now. Don't miss out. Get the best deals today. Don't overpay. Experience affordable luxury today. Don't settle for less. Get it for $9.99. Don't miss out. Upgrade for only $9.99 today. Don't overpay. Don't miss saving. So you see there, pretty good. And there's just so much more, guys. Better benefit stacks, SEO optimized intros, blogs, community. I mean, all this stuff. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, little sneak peek. All right, I'm talking to you guys soon.